big topic of inheritance and things. So this is, in a way, this is a little bit of a rag bag, but I think that they're important things. So this idea of casting. You've seen this before, right? We've got a number of primitive types, mainly arithmetical. I haven't put Boolean in there because it's not so relevant. But up to here, we're dealing with various kinds of integers of increasing capacity, if you like. Right? Here we're dealing with two kinds of floating point numbers, again, with different, both capacity, you can represent bigger numbers with doubles, and also more precision. You can define, the fineness at which you measure things can vary. And then we've also got the characters. And they're related in this way. I can't remember, have you seen this sort of way of looking at things? Basically, we're putting them in some sort of ordering, where byte is has the smallest capacity, so it'll be minus 128 to plus 127. Short is bigger than that, int is bigger than that, long is bigger than that. Then we make the transition from integers to floating point numbers going up. We've got this sort of almost hierarchy of progression. And characters sort of fit in there. That we can take the code that a particular, a character is represented by an integer number, and we can relate that number that's in there to the integer variable. So it kind of sticks off the side. Now, when we talk about going in this direction, we talk about widening. When we talk about this direction, we talk about narrowing for kind of obvious reasons. Widening is always okay, because as we go in this direction, we're always using something that's bigger than the one before. Yeah? It's always okay to say, well, I've got a short, but I'm going to consider it as an integer. Because, if you look at it, the range of numbers expressible in a short, any of these numbers is expressible as an integer. Because basically those integers are a subset of those integers. Likewise from there to there. Likewise from there to there. Right? So you can always go upwards. Yeah, the hierarchy. And a long integer, what is that? 10 to the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is about 10 to the 19, which fits inside something which is 10 to the 38. Right? And then 10 to the 38, those numbers will fit inside double. So you can always say, I'm going to treat something here as though it was something here. So I can assign, right, something which is an int to a variable which is a long. So I'm not losing anything. I'm guaranteed that I can do that successfully. Okay? That's very clear. And so that happens automatically. If I take an integer, multiply it by a float, then automatically that thing becomes increasingly a float, and I multiply two floats and I put it in there. Even if I have two integers yielding 21, that will be converted into 21.0 when I put it into there. And that happens automatically. I don't have to worry about that. There's no loss of anything. You don't even have to think about it. Right? Likewise here. In fact, the range of characters, and I'm not sure what the current range is. ASCII codes used to be 128 of them, maybe it's 256 now, I haven't kept up. But anyway, the range of numbers represented by these characters is always less than the range of integers. Right? The range of integers is from is that Boolean or whatever that